then that's fine. What is... Energy hair salon. This is Hunan Bistro Noodle Bar. Wow, look at that. Oh, this one's called Claw Me Baby. Fried skewers. Perfect meat bowl. Royalty House. Coffee. Matcha tea here. Barbecue BBQ restaurant. $5.85. That's what they call themselves. Okay, I'm inside Full House Chinese Cuisine in Scarborough, and I ordered the yang chow fried rice and the sweet and sour pork, which looks really good. I know my sweet and sour pork, and this one looks really good, as well as the fried rice. So I'm gonna give it a try. Okay. So when you're dining in a Chinese restaurant, you order your meal. It comes out like family style, so you use, fairly good amount on a platter. I mean, it's up to you. You can eat this off this platter, but it's best to transfer your portion into a bowl and you eat that way. You're like, this is my sweet and sour pork here. It's in a platter. Again, you can eat this off the plate itself, but it's best to take your portion of that you want to eat onto your side plate. Okay? Because then you're not picking around at it. And then what you don't finish, you can pack it and get it for a doggy bag, right? All right. So I'm gonna try this, and you can use the chopstick. Very good. It's pretty consistent, like the yang chow fried rice. Tastes similar to all the restaurants that I have been to, and I always order this. Good sized shrimp. Good sized shrimp here. I'm gonna try though. I'm gonna take my portion. Oh, feels very crispy. That's good. See, put a portion. And if I want more, I add more, right? So. Good. It has to be crispy, not soggy, and not over like thick batter. It's really good. So my first time here at Full House Chinese Cuisine in Scarborough. It's a good pick. Take your bite. Yum, yum, yum. Head on out here to Scarborough. Give Full House Chinese Cuisine a try.